Hello friends, welcome to Senior to Junior Academy. Friends, I welcome you all to our top core companies campus interview question with explanation. Friends, this is question number 31, and for those of the new viewers who are visiting my channel for the first time, I would request you to please watch all the previous 30 questions. Friends, these all 30 questions are being taken from your seniors who has already appeared in reputed companies interview. Friends, in this video I am going to discuss two important terms, that is soldering and brazing, and its difference. Friends, you know that there are certain materials which are very difficult to weld because of their properties, thickness or other properties. So in order to substitute this, we have developed a allied process, and soldering and brazing comes under this process. So friends, when I say allied process, basically if the parent material cannot withstand high temperature, or the parts to be joined are delicate, or the metal has the different properties and thickness, so it is very difficult to join these. So welding becomes difficult in such cases. So in order to substitute this, there is a process known as the allied process. Friends, you know that soldering, you have seen this picture. This is a picture where the electrician is doing a soldering. You can see two things in his hand. One is the wire and other is the rod which is being heated. This wire is basically a filler material, and it is usually a alloy of lead and tin. So friends, soldering is the process of joining similar or dissimilar metals by means of filler materials, and this filler material is basically alloy of lead and tin. The melting point will be less than 450 degree Celsius of the filler material. The filler material that we are using, its melting point is basically less than 450 degree Celsius. Friends, let me tell you one thing, that the melting point is always less than the parent metals. Now friends, you can see this picture. This is basically a flask, a resin flask, or you can say it's the element that is used is a zinc chloride or your aluminum chloride. Now why this is used first? Because this is used in order to prevent oxidation. So I have written, friends, two surfaces are cleaned and a flask is applied over it. This flask dissolve whatever amount of oxide is remaining on the surface and also protects the surface from further oxidation. Now after the application of flask, the pieces are heated and the solder is applied. So friends, the process is that first you apply the flask in order to prevent the oxidation, and then you start soldering. Soldering is done by thorough cleaning the pieces with the help of wire bushes. Now when it cools, it solidifies and it provides you the adequate strength. So friends, this is the basic principle behind soldering. Now the wire you have seen, the alloy I told of lead and tin, basically when you do electrical soldering, the composition is basically 58% lead and 42% tin. Soldering joints are not strong joints. They have a low strength as compared to the brazing process. And basically you can see the soldering is basically extensively used in electronics industry, and sealing of automotive radiators is also done with the help of soldering. So this is all about the soldering. Now we will come back to brazing process. Friends, brazing is also a process of joining similar or dissimilar metals by the means of filler material, and here filler material is generally a copper alloy. It is a low temperature joining process, unlike welding where high temperature is required. You know that in welding a very high temperature is required, because there you need to melt the parent materials, but in brazing you do not need to melt the parent material. It is done below the melting point of base metal. The melting point is above 450 degrees Celsius of the filler material. Now one important difference between brazing and welding is that it is achieved without fusion of the base metal. As I already told that in welding there is a fusion of base metal, but in brazing it is achieved without the fusion of base metal. A mixture of zinc and borax with water is used as a paste on the metal parts. Friends, here you can say this is used as a flask, the mixture of zinc and borax. There are different types of brazing, that is torch brazing, furnace brazing, electrical brazing. So friends, in this picture I have shown a torch brazing. You can see there's the parents material that it is brazing do not gets melted. So this is all about brazing process. Now it has got certain advantage and disadvantage. The advantage are that dissimilar metals which cannot be welded can be joined by brazing. This is the first and the important advantage of it. Very thin metals can be joined. This is the other advantage. Metals with different thickness can be joined easily. In brazing, thermal stresses are not produced in workpiece, hence there is no distortion. Friends, point number 4 is very important, because in welding you know that there is a development of the residual stresses, because of which the parent metals and the welding gets distorted. So in brazing this do not happens, there is no buckling. So this is the important advantage of brazing. Disadvantage is that brazed joints are having lesser strength compared to welding. Obviously it has got less strength, but brazing joint has higher strength as compared to your this one soldering, because I have written there that the solder joints has the low strength as compared to the brazing joints. The second disadvantage is that the joint preparation cost is more. And third disadvantage I have written it that you know that the thin sheet metals can be brazed, but often it has been found that this is not highly successful. So because of its low strength and the chances of getting break. So this is the disadvantage of this. So friends, I hope I am able to clear the concept regarding the soldering and brazing. For more such videos, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at s2jacademy@gmail.com, and if you want this slide also, you can mail me at this ID only. Friends, for more such videos, you please subscribe to the channel, and you can join our Facebook group, for which the link is given in the description box. Friends, thank you for watching. Share knowledge, share success.